It's Dorcas. Thank you for clicking onto the video. So firstly, as we scroll down, you're welcome with an animated logo. Here it says to not blink, otherwise you'll miss it, and the understanding is that new topics are constantly emerging, especially in this industry. And the idea is further highlighted by this cursor that turns into an eyeball, telling you to click it when you see it or else you might miss it. Even here, it has a blinking effect to highlight the term where. The first one is to show you the latest article, and the second one is a different section focused on just styling. So this is the home page. As we come onto the culture page, it references news broadcasting and the familiarity of daily commute and missing out on advertisements that are screaming for attention. These are a list of articles that I did, and I only placed my two recent ones here. Firstly, this is a topic I wanted to dive further into, which is also a big driving factor of starting this passion project of mine. We know that Singaporeans are not big on dressing up, but concert culture seemed to be challenging this idea recently. So I was itching to find out more, and I went down to the concert venue and talked to 10 concert attendees. After a lot of experiences of doing journalism back in school, a lot of people tend to try to make it politically right, and it's very curated in a way, because they know they're being recorded. So every interview that I did is anonymous, so the insights are shared without fear. My conclusion is that these people love and want to dress up, but of course we know that the stares from public can be uncomfortable, which is a repetitive reason that was shared amongst my interviewees. Singaporeans will take up this rare opportunity to dress up during concerts as the environment makes them feel at ease doing so. But more importantly, to feel a deeper sense of belonging in the community, which is what K-pop is known for. As you can see, they have very similar styles. So, of course, one thing that I also mentioned here is that my interviewees are very young, which does not reflect the entire concert attendees population in Singapore. Moving on to my style section, inspiration is a good way to kickstart someone's personal style journey and to reference what they already own to work their way into finding their personal style. So this entire section is interactive. So let me bring you through. For example, once you click, you can see the brand, and these are the bottoms. Over here, it's for them to mix and match. For example, I want to try wearing this top. I have a mesh top at home and I want to see how to pair it. So I'll pick this, and I will have a baggy jeans at home. Let me see how it works. So I'm gonna drag it all the way out here. And decide to tuck in. Ta-da! Worked quite well. Okay? And I will screenshot this part and post it on Instagram, and I will repost it for them. So that is how I play with this interactive session in this page. I am building this on the marketing strategy of the IKEA effect, whereby when my user interacts and builds something of their own, they are likely to create a slight emotional attachment or familiarity with my brand. Apple might have used this concept too, whereby consumers come into the store, adjust the screen height of the laptop, or pick up the phone, and that breeds a sense of ownership. Thank you so much for taking out the time to look through my website.